welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to look at this 2017 Chevy Colorado Z71. It's a great vehicle. It's a good light duty truck as well as a mid-sized truck with only 50,900 miles on it. It is an off-road edition in the Z71 and it does have a spray-in bed liner, which is always nice, as well as these awesome steps that are built into the bumper to make it easier to get in and out of the bed of the truck. Now what's nice is the tailgate does have that light dampening, so when it lowers it doesn't slam, which is always a plus. Now this does have ample room out back, and it's really cool because the seats do fold in multiple ways. What's really nice is it does fold down from the top, so you can fold the tops down like that, and it does have some storage underneath if you want to stick anything in here. And both of the seats do fold up or fold down flat, as applicable. Up front, it, like I said, does have leather interior. It does have heated front seats, as well as the electric driver's seat and navigation. I want to thank you for watching this video today. If you have any questions or are interested in this vehicle or anything else on our lot, please feel free to come in or give us a call. My name is Jordan. I'd be more than willing to help you, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day.